Come sit down with me. Okay. Okay. ¿Cuál es tu favorito YouTuber?
Ryan.
¿Cómo se llama su canal?
Ryan's Toy Review.
Y yo he oído que salieron unos juguetes de él, ¿que no? ¿Cuál piensas que está aquí?
I don't know.
¿Quieres mirar?
Yeah. Wow!
You want to open it? Okay, let's open it. Show them what it comes with.
It comes with all of these. And then now let's open it.
Here, let me help you.
Oh, I got it.
Ready? Okay, open it. Oh, wait. No, Alfred.
What? More? Let's see how we
Go bring
open
some
this.
scissors.
Okay. Wait, where are the scissors?
Go to my room. No, están en mi cuarto. You have them?
No, I don't want to.
Wait.
No. Ready?
Vas a romper ahí.
Ma, ¿los puedes ayudar?
Oh, got it.
Got it. Okay. Ready? No. Alfred, I'll do it. Ready? I got it.
Let me put these away.
Let's see it. Yeah. Come on, Alfred. Ready? Let's crack it in half. Ready? Go. Whoa! And there's another. That's the spaceship. Let's open it.
Oh my
Sarah.
gosh.
Sara,
One at a time. Just one. Let's see what's in that one. Here, I'll go bring no.
Got it.
I'll go bring the
What is
scissors.
this one? Let's see. Oh, I found a keychain. Who is it? It's Teen Titan Ryan. Teen Titan. I'm gonna get
Need
Teen
some
Titan.
help? Hold on. Sit down.
I'm getting Teen Titan now.
Here, let me help you.
No, I gotta.
Here.
Here. Here.
Let me help you.
Okay, get it. Okay,
Teen
get it.
Titan Ryan.
Teen Titan Ryan.
Ooh.
Teen Titan Ryan.
Show the camera. Okay, put your toys in here now. Put them in here. Right here.
Okay. Now
Right
let's.
there.
Oh, and then. Okay, now let's start writing another one.
Okay, yeah, that
Go
one.
for mystery squishy.
Can you open them? Here, I'll help you.
Wait, I got it. Okay.
Right here.
Oh, I got it.
Let's see. What do you think you got?
I think I'm gonna get Combo Panda. He's an ultra rare.
All right.
Oh, who is this? Who is this? Oh! I got Ryan and Sue! Ryan!
Wow. Squeeze it. Y también aquí está la lista que
La
puedes
lista.
agarrar. Show
Huh?
the camera.
Wait. I think we can
Estos
select
son
all of
todas
them.
las cosas que puedes agarrar.
Where's Squishy? Oh.
Go over there. Ahora vamos a abrir otro.
I wanna open one.
No, stay over there. Stay over there.
I wanna open one. I wanna open it.
I know, you're gonna see what's in it. Okay, hold on. Ya sé, pero nomás le voy a hacer aquí.
It's mine. There's a tear strip. Let's see who you get.
Who do you get? Who is it?
Gus.
Gus! It's Gus! I think he's an ultra rare.
No, he's not. He's not in the list.
Let me see.
He's not in the list.
Let's see on this one.
He says he's not on the list. And they come each little accessory. I think he comes with accessory. Yes! Oh, he won first place.
First place?
Like Ryan, he won his first place. And now let's open another
right.
one. I want to
Here
open
you
this
go.
one. Here's good. Let's see what we get this time.
What? What is it?
Oh
Open it.
my gosh.
Who is it?
He's on the list, but not.
Is it ultra rare?
No. He's. Oh my god.
He goes in the spaceship.
He is going. It's. Ryan.
Put it in.
Wait, let me give him. Oh, he has a gun. That's so cool. Okay, now let's. Okay, now
Alright.
let's open another one.
All right. Here you go.
Oh, I know who it is. I know it. Oh. Oh.
Whoa! What is that?
Let me check. Is it
Here, give me it. Give me it. I'm gonna open it for you.
It's slime.
It's putty.
Putty slime.
Whoa. No, no, no. No, Alfred.
We'll
This
open
one.
that one later.
Here, hold on. Ready? Mm. No, it's yours. Wow. Look at this.
Let me see. Wait, is it? I'm gonna check if this.
It's putty.
Putty.
Wow.
Some more, guys.
Stretch it.
Oh my.
Here. Here's another piece.
Okay, so this goes here. Now let's start with this. There's a. Let me.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alfred, we're starting.
Wait, should I open it?
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, Bobby. Lab.
Ready? Set.
Okay, let's see who we got.
You need help?
No.
What is it? You need help?
No, I don't need help. I got it. Yeah.
Alfred, you don't have to open
No,
it.
I don't want. Oh. Here we get.
Open it. Put it up.
Okay, now let's open it.
What is it?
Let's see. Oh, it's a green one.
Open it. Here, poke it.
Oh, I got.
Poke it. Alfred, over here. No. No, Alfred. Whoa.
Put this on the
It's
tray.
slime.
It is.
Ready?
No, it's not like.
Slime. Ready? I'm gonna shake it. Ready? Hold on. Give me it. Give me
Well,
the
you
tap.
have to shake it?
Yeah. Ready?
Oh. I got regular Ryan. Look, he's super fat. His balls. Squishy Ryan, you are going down. And he's super fat. You will need a lot of junk food. Mira la cara.
Ooh, this is cool.
Wait, Oh, you shaked it?
Yeah.
How did it
Look.
turn? Whoa!